Music takes you on a journey into a singer's soul.
It's like an expression of myself, my feelings.
But on November 8th, Anna Almenario almost lost her song.
I couldn't even sing because I was thinking about, what if they never hear me sing again?
Typhoon Haiyan ravaged her grandparents' home in the Philippines.
We didn't have any news about them for like a few days, maybe 4 days.
The family survived, but Anna's life quickly changed.
She almost didn't make it.
She gave the money she'd saved to travel to Louisville for the first Sing and Joy International Choir competition to help rebuild her grandparents' home. Anna sings with Coro San Benildo, the resident choral group of Salle-College of St. Benilde in Manila. 20 other choirs from around the world will compete at the Galt House Friday and Saturday during the event. A last-minute sponsorship allowed Anna to make the trip. And now her voice will give back to her nation.
Well, we have partnered with the City of Louisville because we are known as a compassionate city, the American Red Cross, WDRB, and the Galt House. And we want to help the Philippines. And Red Cross will be collecting at Light Up Louisville and 40 Nights of Lights, as well as here when they're performing.
Donations going directly to typhoon victims. The death toll, now 5,200 people.
I'll be forever grateful for them, for helping strangers from my country. I mean, it's awesome. I'm speechless.
Even if she can't find the words, she has at least found her voice.